Hey there, I've got a serious question for you. Have you ever wondered how some people earn $3,000, $4,000, or even $5,000 from a single product sale, while others are stuck chasing hundreds of small orders just to break even? Well, today I will show you how that's possible. We're going to discuss high-margin dropshipping, what it truly means, how it operates, and why the right product can make a significant difference. We'll cover what margin is, how to find products that give you big returns, and the difference between a solid high-ticket item and just an overpriced product that no one wants. Plus, I will show you real product examples you can sell right now and how to promote them so they can practically sell themselves. So grab a coffee and let's break it all down. Let's start with the basics. What is profit margin? In simple words, it's the difference between what a product costs you and what you sell it for. If you sell a product for $6,000 and your cost is $1,000, your profit margin is $5,000. That's what goes into your pocket after any additional small expenses. Now, in dropshipping, this matters even more because you are not dealing with inventory or warehousing. You are focused on product price, supplier cost, shipping fees, ads, if you run any ads. Everything else is profit. So if your product gives you a $500, $1,000 or even $5,000 margin, you don't need hundreds of sales, you only need a few. And fewer sales mean less customer support, fewer returns, and more time to focus on growth. Now, here's the tricky part. Not every expensive product is high margin, and not every cheap product is low margin. There's a big difference between a high margin product and just a ridiculously overpriced one. Here's what to look for. Solid supplier pricing. The gap between supplier cost and market price must be wide. Actual demand. People are actively buying it, not just looking. Unique features or value. It solves a real problem or provides serious comfort and convenience. Perceived value. Looks premium, feels expensive, and builds trust. Low competition. It's not already everywhere on TikTok and YouTube. Finding these products manually takes time, and if you are new, honestly, it can feel like a rocket science. That's why Sellvia offers high-ticket product packs, curated collections of high-margin, ready-to-sell products, hand-picked by experts. We will talk about those products more in a second. Let's look at 10 high-ticket dropshipping products that don't just look amazing, but they bring in incredible margins. These are the kinds of items where a single sale can mean hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profit. Number 1. Large Nordic dog figurine. A luxury decor piece symbolizing loyalty and good fortune. Its modern resin design fits perfectly in elegant interiors and makes a standout gift. Full-body 3D massage chair with tie stretch and zero gravity. Bring the spa home. Full-body massage, tie stretch mode, and zero gravity positioning deliver customized relaxation. And Bluetooth and heating for added comfort. Gold modern chandelier, elegant and dimmable with a remote. This gold chandelier turns any room into a statement space with just the right glow. Advanced camera drone with professional imagery. Capture stunning 5.1K video with a premium camera built right into the drone. Long flight times, night mode, and pro features make it a content creator's gold. European oak bed frame. Solid oak and spacious design. This minimalist frame adds warmth and class to any bedroom, and it lasts for years. Nordic coffee table. Sleek, compact, and built to impress. A versatile table that fits smaller spaces and elevates interiors with Scandinavian style. LED flame lamp heater. Glowing ambience meets cozy heat. LED flames create the look of a fireplace without the hassle or smoke. Stylish LED backlit vanity mirror. A sleek, fog-free mirror with adjustable LED lighting. A functional showpiece for any modern bathroom. 4K projector with Full HD. Movie nights upgraded. This offers 4K resolution, booming audio, Android streaming, and the big screen experience from anywhere. Luxury 2-person infrared sauna with recliners and starry ceiling. relaxation redefined. Reclining seats, starry lights, and salt therapy makes this an at-home spa you will never want to leave. These are the kinds of products that turn your store into a luxury destination. They don't rely on volume, they work because they offer real value, real design, and serious margins. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I've got the product, but how do I actually promote it? Here's the beauty of high-margin products. When they are chosen right, they almost sell themselves. You don't need to go viral. High-ticket products aren't impulse buys. Your buyers are already searching for quality, comfort, or solutions, and they are ready to pay. And that's where high-ticket product packs comes in. Every pack is more than just a set of expensive items. It's a full, ready-to-sell system designed to help you look professional, trustworthy, and polished from day one. Each pack includes a curated set of profitable, in-demand products, detailed product descriptions that build trust and explain key benefits, clean professional images ready to be added to your store. And this helps you launch quickly without wasting time on research or content creation from scratch. And if you want to go one step further, you can access a collection of ready-to-use promotional videos directly in your Sellvia dashboard. These short videos are created explicitly for high-ticket products and come with matching thumbnails and formats for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other platforms. They are perfect for social media promotion, product pages, or ad campaigns, giving your store a polished, professional edge right from the start. So you choose the product, you choose the video, and just like that, your brand looks like it's been in business for years. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to make 500 sales to hit $5,000. Sometimes one sale is all it takes. If you've been stuck selling low-ticket items that give you just $5 profit, it might be the time to try something smarter. So, want to know how to earn $5,000 from one sale? Now you do. The next step, go grab your products and let's build something big. You will find all the links you need just to get started right below this video. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along, because your success story might just start right here.